Here's just a quick video outlining how to read the activities calendar. So as you can see, the calendar that's posted on Canvas under course information module, it's listed here and it's outlined week by week. So it has each week as a heading, and then it tells you the dates of that week. And then it also tells you what we're going to be covering in class that week. So first week, the writer's experience, second week, voice and point of view, third week, image, fourth week, character, etc., etc. Okay, this happens to be the calendar for fall 2019. So every week is broken up into two different meetings on this calendar because for fall 2019, the class meets twice a week. It happens to meet on Tuesday and Thursday. So whatever is written above the asterisk applies to Tuesday's class, and whatever comes after the asterisk applies to Thursday's class. Whatever is in bold is due for that class. So for Thursday's class of week number 1, comes after the asterisk, right? What's in bold is due. So the Turnitin.com account, and also on Canvas under modules, journal entry assignment outline, and reading the activities calendar. Those happen to be two videos. This is the video that you're watching right now. And I want you to watch those videos. For week number 2, Tuesday's class comes before the asterisk, the first class meeting of the week. Imaginative writing, I'd like you to read those pages. For Thursday's class, in the notes packet, I'd like you to read on page 7, the interview assignment. On page 9, the model interview assignment. Page 93, the Just Away songs. Page 95, Mystic Tan, My Failed Switcheroo. Page 113, Pincushion. All you have to do is read them. Now, some of these readings, like Mystic Tan, My Failed Switcheroo, it starts on page 95. I'd like you to read all the pages included in that creative nonfiction text. Or like the model interview assignment, I'd like you to look over all the pages, not just what's on page 9. You can also see that starting with week 2, it'll tell you the writing activity in another voice, right? That is what we're going to be doing in class, along with talking about the interview assignment, or like on week number 1, if it's not in bold, it means that's what we're doing in class. So we're going to go over the syllabus, talk about journal entries example, writing exercises, final portfolio, and then I'm going to tell you what the Amanda Walser Memorial Library is. Okay, so if it's in bold, it's due. If it's not in bold, it's what we're going to be doing in class. So you'll see week number 2, the writing activity that we're going to be doing in class or starting in class is in another voice. Okay, and that's going to be part of one of your journal entries for week number 2. And you can watch the journal entry assignment outline video to explain what the journal entries do and what's involved in them. If you forget everything I'm telling you, you can rewatch this video, or you can just go to the key. See why it means Canvas, Canvas files, Canvas modules, imaginative writing, notes packet, and then how to read. Before the asterisk, after the asterisk, and then what is in bold is due that day. Hopefully that helps you. If you have any questions, you can of course come to my office and ask your questions, or better yet, go to our discussion board on Canvas and pose that as a question under the student Q&A help discussion board, and the first classmate to answer your question correctly receives extra credit. So hopefully this is clear for you, and we'll just move forward in the semester, and you'll be able to look at this calendar and know what's coming up, and maybe even plan ahead, and be really successful in the class.